Tell me when you're ready. You ready? Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make pancakes. You want me to bend? I don't want to bend, it hurts my back. I feel like Kavi's fan. So when you make pancakes, you should definitely feel it. Because it feels like comedic. Damn. This is more harder than I thought than a cookie. See how I can scoop this. It smells bad. It smells like egg. It smells like acorn. Oh, God, I should definitely smell that again. Oh my God, it smells so bad. When you do this, you should smell it. We're doing it now. Then I get my hair messy. It's good. This is good, but I'm scared to make my hands dirty. Oh my God, it feels like slime. When you see a head like this, touch it, feels like slime. Let me just wash my hands. All right, here. So guys, now it's from not the funnest part ever.
Why not?
Because
What?
What? Let's do it now.
We're gonna put it there. We're gonna put the house right there. This is the first time we're gonna do this one, people.
Yeah, and I don't know if I can do this.
Whoa!
So you can do it.
It's actually very
Hard.
Oh my God.
That's okay.
I think so.
Yeah. Are you sure it's okay to do this?
I don't know.
Because how that will burn? Smell. I burned myself. It smells good.
Really?
I'm eating them right now.
So how's the taste?
Good.
Really?